Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Truist checking account step by step clearly. To use Zelle with your Truist checking account, first, ensure you have the Truist mobile banking app installed on your device. Open the Truist mobile banking app. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, locate the menu or navigation bar, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the option that says Zelle or Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time using Zelle, read and accept the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Select your Truist checking account for Zelle transactions. Now, enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Ensure that the information you entered is correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Type in the amount of money you wish to send. You may also include a memo or note to remind you what the payment is for, though this is optional. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is accurate. Once you confirm that all information is correct, tap on Send or Confirm. You will receive a notification confirming your transaction. The recipient will also get a notification if they are already enrolled with Zelle. If the recipient isn't enrolled, they will receive instructions on how to complete the transfer. To receive money, ask the sender to use your email address or mobile number linked to your Zelle account. Monitoring your transactions can be done within the same Zelle section of the Truist app. Make sure to keep your app updated for the best experience and security. Zelle offers a fast and simple way to send money directly from your checking account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.